As we speak, the hearing is currently underway in the High Court. And now, Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who is representing Chief Minister Siddaramaiah in his arguments, has called the governor's order a BJP-friendly order. He's also noted that the order has no mention as to why the sanction has been given. Let's go across to Deepak, who's tracking the hearing that's going on in the High Court. Deepak, take us through what happened. What were the arguments presented from Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's side?
Well, primarily it's around how, various things were not considered by the governor, including, the recommendation by the cabinet in the first place against, giving a sanction. And then when a notice was issued to the chief minister, such a complaint has come in and a request for sanction has come in, and please reply as to why sanction shouldn't be given. Now, in his sanction order, Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi says that he has not even replied, or nowhere that you find any sort of response to the notice that was issued and a subsequent reply that came in from Mr. Siddaramaiah, and it just goes ahead and gives out a sanction which he says, of course, was a friendly move, for the BJP by the governor. And he's also, of course, citing various other case studies where such a thing is not something that is right when you look at the legalities of it. And we also should understand that counter arguments are being made by Mr. Tushar Mehta, the Solicitor General of India, as well, on behalf of the governor, trying to say why this should be done. They've also, of course, raised questions about TJ Abraham, one of the activists, of course, who had gone ahead and requested for this sanction, saying that there were observations made that he was a habitual complainant and a blackmailer as well, which, of course, the court said is probably not connected to this particular matter. But nonetheless, fiery arguments right now on. It's an intense legal strategy, of course, that the Congress is employing right now to defend the Chief Minister. We really have to see whether there'll be any sort of relief come the way of the Chief Minister in the next few minutes once the argument concludes, or whether it will be posted for another day of hearing.